Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create templates on the Evernote app. So first of all, open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now the first thing is Evernote actually have a built-in template, so the process is very easy. To use an Evernote template, first of all tap on the new note option here. Now here these are the templates you see. That's the to-do list, the meeting note, project plans, lecture notes, easy research, daily reflection, reading list, and so on. And if you want to add something to this template, just scroll till the end and you will see the option with more. Tap on it. Now these are the templates you can add, and if you want more templates, again tap on the option. Now here these are the templates you can get. If you want to get any of these templates, simply tap on the option and then tap on apply template option. That's how this template has been now added. You can use Evernote's built-in templates. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.